my cozy little stitching corner. This is Antonette from Smartneedle. Grab a warm drink, get comfy, and join me for a festive stitching tour filled with Christmas cheers, cozy projects, and a lot of handmade joy. At the beginning of this video, you'll see some of our special 3D in the hoop projects, including beautiful gingerbread cottage wallets, North Pole letter to Santa envelopes, and amazing holiday cube boxes, perfect for storing candy, cookie, gift wrapping, and so much more. You'll also spot our adorable string bags shaped in Christmas trees and Santa hats, perfect for giving, along with our cozy stocky sockies, beautiful for displaying around your home, on a chimney mantle, shelf, or anywhere you want to add a handmade holiday touch. Charming statement pieces, plus our Christmas wreath ornament to hang all around your Christmas tree or holiday decor. And of course, you'll see our quilted puffy classic holiday bowl, which has quickly become customers' favorite. So much so that I'll be creating them in many seasons to come. This video is a little holiday celebration of so many of my favorite Christmas embroidery projects from Smartneedle, all gathered together in one place. As you are watching, you'll see snowmen, Santas, Rudolph, nutcrackers, Christmas trees, gingerbread, designs, and so much more. Stitched into mug rugs, trivets, coasters, table toppers, pot holders, wall hangers, so you can use all around your home. What makes these projects extra special is how cute and truly unique they are, and how many hoop sizes are included. Not to mention that most of my projects are done within 1 or 2 hoops only, giving you the freedom to create exactly what your project or your space needs. Whether you're making a cozy mug rug, a sturdy tree bed, a festive table topper, a cheerful wall hanging, or pieces for gift, craft shows, or your sewing business, these designs are made to fit your creativity vision. Designing all of these Christmas projects is been so much fun for me, and I truly hope they bring warmth, a smile, and a handmade touch to your home, your gift giving, or your customer's space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps support the Smartneedle channel and allows me to keep creating and sharing unique embroidery projects for all of you to enjoy. Keep stitching, keep being creative, stay safe, and from the bottom of my heart, Merry Christmas.